everybody, welcome back to Row & Co Farms. I'm excited to take you along as we do some chores today and do our first ever beehive inspection. We got bees for the first time this year. I have never done anything like that before, and so we're gonna be having our mentor come over today. He's gonna help us out. We're gonna go into the 2 hives that we have and see what's going on, see if they're active, see if they are starting to do the things that they're supposed to do now that it's starting to warm up a little bit. We're in Georgia. The weather here today is about 55 to 60 degrees. It's really nice. As you can see, I'm in a tank top and it's really pretty. So yeah, we're gonna go out. We're gonna do some of our farm chores, take care of our cows, chickens, bees, and it should be fun. So let's do it. preparation for our first hive inspection today. We're going to be using some of these tools, basic beekeeping tools. The first one being a basic hive tool, this right here. The next is a bee brush, just to brush the bees gently away if we need to brush them away. Next is the smoker, which we fill with fuel. We'll then light it, close it off, and then this will produce smoke for us, which will help keep the bees somewhat docile while we work with them. Next is my protective gear. I have a full suit to cover my face, my whole body. I'll wear the boots that I have on, my gloves. I've not done this before, so we'll see. A lot of people say they don't really like to wear these kind of gloves, so we'll see how they are. I feel like I'm gonna want them because I don't want to get stung. I'll be wearing just my jeans underneath and a t-shirt, and I'll put my hair in a ponytail so that just in case a bee gets in, they don't get too caught in my hair. So, general overview of basic beekeeping equipment.
Always work from the back of the hive. Okay. You'll find yourself on the side.
That's so amazing. I love this.
What I would do right now
So guys, this is my reaction to the first bee inspection that we did today, the hive inspection. I have a mentor, he's my neighbor, he lives across the street. He came over to help me today do the hive inspection, and that was amazing. It was so cool. I will never forget doing that. I thought I was gonna be super scared, and I was nervous at first to go into the hive and have all the bees flying around me, but it was so cool. I thought it was the most amazing thing I've ever seen. There were so many bees in the hive already. They were already starting to lay eggs. There was larvae, there was capped brood, which if you're not a beekeeper, I know that's a bunch of words that you're like, whatever, but that's what you're looking for. There was honey still from last winter. There was a lot of good stuff happening in our big hive, which we're calling our big hive. It was awesome. We have another smaller hive. It was still active and it's looking good. We actually didn't get a chance to go into that one today because it took us a really long time to go through the first one. But overall, in general, my reaction is great. I will continue to beekeep. I am hooked already after the first day, and I just want to keep going. So I definitely want to see what the beekeeping realm and the future of beekeeping has for me. It was a lot of fun. So look forward to sharing beekeeping in the future with you guys and what we're going to do with it here at Row Co Farms. Awesome!